Hi, my name is Dr. Allure, and I'm your child's chemistry teacher at Lakeview High School this year. I'm looking to use this video to help you understand how my class works and to help you answer the questions on the Parent Introduction Questionnaire that I gave your child in class today. So in the traditional classroom, the teacher stands at the front, provides instruction, and the students look towards the teacher for the information that is required in the class. I want to suggest that there's a better way, a more productive way for your children to use their time rather than just to listen to me. This is called flipped mastery learning. So I'm going to first talk to you about what flipped learning is. Basically, the work that was done at home for homework is done in class so that I can provide small group and individualized assistance. I provide targeted feedback so students get the kind of help that they need to show content and skill mastery. So what is flipped learning? It involves your child watching a video of me providing direct instruction through an instructional video on YouTube. Usually the videos are less than 10 minutes. Your child takes notes, and that allows for more time in class to do labs and collaboration. As you know, the kind of collaboration that you see here on the left is exactly like the kind of collaboration that is done in the business world that you see on the right. What is mastery learning? Well, it allows students to learn at their own optimal pace. When students need more help, they get it. But once they learn material, they can accelerate their learning rather than wait for their peers to catch up. And both of these happen to every student within every class. So if you look here on the right at a mock gradebook platform, you can see that students will get points for the video and for practicing for the skill, but they also get points for the quiz. So the way that they get the points for the video and the practice is not only by doing them, but to show mastery of that, and that's at least 80%. When your child receives at least 80% on the quiz for that skill, they also receive all the points for the assignments that are related to it. So that means they don't have to do everything. They just have to do enough until they understand it. And that provides an advantage because it can accelerate your child's learning and not give your child unnecessarily busy work. But it also provides the opportunity for students who are struggling to get the kind of help they need to be successful. Students are allowed to take quizzes an unlimited number of times within 2 weeks, and after every quiz retake, they get feedback from me and or their classmates who have mastered the topic already. So other than in class, I provide assistance to students outside of class during tutoring. I'm available for tutoring during lunch, every fourth period in my classroom, with the exception of once every 2 weeks where I'm in a meeting. In addition, I'm available for tutoring before school, except on Mondays and Thursdays, and after school every day, except on Wednesdays when I have to leave at 3:30. During the year, it may be necessary for us to communicate about your child's progress, and I look forward to having those discussions. There are two primary ways for us to communicate. That is through Remind. If your child is in prep chemistry, you can sign up for the Remind messaging service by messaging @AllurePChem to the number 81010. If your child is in my honors chemistry class, then you can send the message @AllureHChem to 81010, and then it'll ask you for your name and you'll get added to the class. You can also email me at mnalur@cps.edu, and I usually respond within an hour or two, but definitely within 24 hours. So I hope this video was useful in understanding how this class works. And if you have any questions, please write them down on the Parent Introduction Questionnaire, and I'll be able to respond to your question. Thanks, and I look forward to working with you and your child to maximize their success this year at Lakeview High School. Thank you.